Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Anti-Gravity AI from start to finish. If you're looking for an AI tool that helps you brainstorm ideas, create designs, organize projects, and improve your productivity, then this tutorial is for you. We'll cover everything from downloading the application to creating projects and generating AI-powered responses. So, let's get started. The first step is to install Google Anti-Gravity AI on your computer. Open your preferred web browser and search for Google Anti-Gravity AI. Open the official website from the search results. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the download option. Since I'm using Windows, I'll click Download for Windows. The installer will begin downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download finishes, locate the setup file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to begin the installation. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. When you open Google Anti-Gravity AI for the first time, you may be asked to sign in with your Google account. Complete the login process, and after a few seconds, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Now let's take a complete tour of the interface. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find several useful options that help you organize your work. The first section is Conversation History. Every conversation you have with the AI is automatically saved here. This means you don't have to start over every time you close the application. You can simply open any previous conversation, continue asking questions, edit prompts, or review earlier responses whenever you need them. This feature is especially useful if you're working on long-term projects because all of your previous chats remain organized in one place. The next option is Scheduled Tasks. This section allows you to organize your upcoming work. You can schedule reminders, create recurring tasks, and manage deadlines directly inside the application. Simply create a new task, enter the title, choose the date and time, and save it. Your scheduled tasks will then appear in this section, making it easier to keep track of important work without leaving the application. Now, you'll find the New Conversation button. Whenever you want to start fresh with a completely new topic, simply click New Conversation. This clears the current chat and opens a blank workspace where you can begin interacting with the AI without affecting your previous conversations. One of the best features of Google Anti-Gravity AI is its support for different Gemini AI models. Near the chat area, you'll notice the option to choose between available Gemini models. Depending on your subscription or available features, you can select the model that best fits your task. Different models may provide different levels of reasoning, creativity, or speed, allowing you to customize your experience. Now, let's look at project management. Click the New Conversation menu once again. Here you'll also notice the option to create a project. You can also access the same feature directly from the left sidebar by clicking Projects. Go ahead and click New Project. You'll now be asked to create a project folder. Choose a location on your computer where you'd like all your project files to be stored. Select your preferred folder or create a brand new one, then confirm your selection. From this point onward, Google Anti-Gravity AI will automatically organize and save files related to that project inside the selected folder. This makes managing larger projects much easier because all generated files remain organized in one place instead of being scattered across your computer. Now let's see the AI in action. Inside the chat box, type a prompt. For this example, I'll type, "Give me 2 UI design options for a shopping list reminder app." Once you've entered your prompt, simply press enter. The AI will immediately begin processing your request. Depending on the complexity of your prompt, it may take a few seconds to generate the response. While it's generating, you'll notice a progress indicator showing that the AI is working. After a short wait, Google Anti-Gravity AI generates a complete response. Instead of giving only plain text, it can also generate structured content, design ideas, planning documents, and other project files depending on your request. Click on the generated file to open it. Now you can review the response in detail. In this example, the AI has created two different user interface design concepts for the shopping list reminder application. Each design includes its own layout suggestions, interface elements, navigation ideas, and overall design approach. Take your time reviewing both options carefully. If you like one of the generated designs, you can simply continue developing that idea. However, if you'd like to make changes, there's no need to start over. Simply return to the prompt box below the response and type another instruction. For example, you could ask, make the colors more modern, or use a dark theme instead. You could also ask the AI to redesign the navigation, simplify the interface, improve accessibility, or generate an entirely new version. The AI understands follow up instructions, allowing you to refine your project step by step until you're satisfied with the final result. This conversational workflow is one of the biggest advantages of Google Anti-Gravity AI because you can continuously improve your work instead of creating everything from scratch each time. As your conversations continue, everything is automatically added to your conversation history, making it easy to revisit previous versions whenever necessary. If you're working on multiple applications or different clients, simply create separate projects for each one. This keeps your conversations, generated files, and design ideas neatly organized. You can switch between projects at any time by selecting them from the Projects section on the left sidebar. Besides UI design, Google Anti-Gravity AI can also help with brainstorming ideas, writing documents, generating code, planning marketing campaigns, creating content outlines, solving technical problems, summarizing information, and much more. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the generated response will usually be. For example, instead of asking for a simple UI design, you could specify your preferred color palette, target audience, required features, navigation style, or platforms such as Android, iOS, or web. This allows the AI to generate much more personalized and accurate results. As you continue working, remember to save, copy, and export important project versions whenever needed. Overall, Google Anti-Gravity AI provides a clean interface, organized project management, powerful AI assistance, and an efficient way to create ideas. Although your conversations are automatically stored, organizing different versions inside your project folders makes collaboration much easier. And that's everything you need to know to get started with Google Anti-Gravity AI. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.